Hi guys, I just wanted to say I hope everybody had a really great holidays. I know they're not quite over. We've got New Year's Eve tomorrow night. Um, but yeah, I hope everybody had a nice break, and I did too. I took probably a week off of doing anything nail related other than Black Friday shopping, which I probably shouldn't have done, but I went a little crazy. Um, yeah, so I had a pretty interesting little break. The kids had an amazing Christmas. My daughter's finally old enough to kind of get the whole ask Santa for something and hope that he brings it for you. So she was really excited to get her LOL doll egg under the tree, and my son is one, so he doesn't have any idea what's going on, but he got a lot of cool things also from family and friends. Um, and I fell down the stairs on Christmas Eve. Like I completely ate it. Like it was like a yard sale. Like I was carrying things, everything must go. Like I threw things. I screamed like a little girl on my way down. I think it was only 3 stairs that I fell, maybe 4. But I feel really old, and I think when you're my age, I'm 36. When you're my age, like even slipping a little bit because your socks are slippery on flat ground is terrifying. Like you think you're going to break a hip or like something equally as bad. You should have like a life alert necklace on once you hit, I think, probably 32 is when things start to get a little bit dicey. So yeah, thankfully I wasn't carrying anything super special like a kid or a gift, but I totally ate it. I screamed. I pulled a baby gate down on top of myself. I thought that I broke a knuckle. I didn't, but I definitely broke a toe. My husband saw it the other night, and he's like, "Your toe looks like it's dead," but it's starting to look a little bit less dead. I'm sure it'll be fine soon. I hope that doesn't gross anybody out. It was just really bruised. It doesn't actually look like it's dead. Um, but yeah, so that was Christmas Eve, and so I just went to my family's Christmas party and drank a bottle of wine. So it was fine. My toe felt fine for the rest of the night. It was okay for Christmas because I just drank a bottle of rosé while I was making dinner, so it was good. Anyways, I just wanted to make a video. This is like kind of part 1. I'm going to do part 2, I think, tomorrow when I switch out my Manny. But I got some very special nail mail today that I've been waiting on. I got my Nebula dips, and when I say waiting on it, it wasn't because shipping was slow. It was actually pretty fast, especially considering I'm up in Canada and it takes usually a long time for everything to get here from the States. I say finally because I've been dying for Orion for so long. I always missed ordering, or something had come up and it just wasn't in the cards for me when ordering was open. But I got it this time, and now you don't even have to wait for a Google sheet to open. She's got a new website. It's amazing. Go check it out. You can order whenever you want. There's no delay. It's just you put it in your cart, you buy it, it's coming. So I thought it would be neat to do like a little quasi unbagging and do my swatches on video. So yeah, I mean, I opened the seal on this just to make sure that everything was intact, but I didn't open any of the dips. I didn't open the bubble wrap that she has inside. So I'm going to switch my camera view and open it all up and do some swatches with you guys. So I'm really excited. I've been waiting forever for this. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna open it up. And how does she have it packaged? Okay, oh wow, that's really cool. She's got like, they're all sectioned off. Okay, I'm gonna open that with my nail scissors that I shouldn't be using for this, but I'm going to. There it is, Orion. And so I, of course, had to get a few more. Can't just buy one dip, can you? So I got Atlantis, which is a beautiful like teal shimmer. Not shimmer, sorry, glitter. No shimmers here, if we can help it. And I got Omega, which is another, oh my god, even just seeing it through the bottom, it's like another color shifting. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I have these. All right. And also, I got Area 51. I am so excited about this too. Think I might use Area 51. I'm going to Mexico in January, so next month, a couple days. I'm going on the 13th. It's my 10th wedding anniversary. Not that anybody cares. Okay, so let's turn these up. I'm going to leave Orion for the end. Area 51. This is such a good idea. Oh my god, nail mail day. I love nail mail day. I'm so excited about Orion, seriously. Okay, let's get rid of all this tape. This tape is a brilliant idea. Anybody who mails dips and doesn't do this, step up your game. Okay, so I am going to do, I think, Area 51 first. So I've got all my swatch sticks ready to go. Give it a little shake around, and I'm going to be using triple vitamin liquids today because I don't like them, and so I use them for swatching. I don't know why, but I always get cracking, whether I use their base and their activator, or it doesn't matter what I use. The top coat cracks on me. All right. I'm going to try to be a little bit neater than I usually am at swatching. I almost always only do 2 dips when I swatch also. Oh my god, so pretty. Look at the coverage too, and there's pretty much nothing sticking up. Wow, okay, alrighty, let's get Atlantis going. Oh my god. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't like these liquids. I know that a lot of people swear by them. A lot of people that I follow and have followed for a long time in the nail community love them. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've tried using a lot of activator. I've tried using not much activator. I've tried using their activator. I've tried using Revel's activator. I have tried using Sally's activator. I've tried using a different base and just their top coat. I've tried using their base, their top coat, nothing I can do, or nothing that I've tried at least, works. I don't know, it's beautiful shine, and it like the timing of it is amazing because you don't have to fiddle around too much with timing, but I can't get it to last more than a day and a half without getting hairline cracks across that make it look like, you know, early 2000s crackle Sally Hansen nail polish. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If anybody has any ideas of why I'm constantly getting cracking with my triple vitamin, I would love to know, because like I said, the shine of it is amazing. I would really love to be able to use it, but I just can't. Yeah, I don't know. And like I said, I've tried everything that I can think of. I've tried an alcohol wipe. I've tried all sorts of funny business trying to get it to work, because I actually, ridiculously, I drove with both of my small children an hour to a different city, to a small little nail supply shop, to buy my triple vitamin liquids, because everybody was raving about them. So I took my kids, put them in the car, in the rain, through nap time, drove 1 hour to Mississauga from Kitchener, and yeah, bundled them into the car, took them, got them home. I was super pumped to use these liquids. I used them the first time, I thought it was amazing, and then all of a sudden, bam, cracking all over the place, and then it was chipping off, and I've never had dip chip on me before. I couldn't believe it. I was horrified. Anyways, so that was my stupid nail dip trek story that I should never have made, but I did. These are the things we do, right? Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Atlantis is so pretty. yeah, I think I am going to use this when I go to Mexico next month. All right, I'm going to activate them real quick, and then I'll set them aside and get Omega and Orion started. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Can you see that? I'm never going to be able to get the light right for you to be able to see these and how pretty they are. And there's not even any top coat on them. Okay, I'm going to set them aside to dry a little bit before I get a top coat on them. And when I do swatches, I only do like half a coat because I like to see what it looks like matte. Actually, with these glitters, I might do the full thing. I usually only go from here up so that I know this is matte, this is top coated. But yeah, this, like I said, this time I might do the whole thing. I am so pumped about these. All right, let's see what Omega looks like. Oh my god, oh my god. This is so pretty, and you probably can't, yeah, you can't see the shifting that I'm just like watching happen in the jar. Okay. All right, let's get it started. If anybody knows of a liquid company that ships quickly to Canada, I would love to know about it, because I've had a ton of instances where a liquid goes chunky on me, or I can't get it open or something. Try as I might. Oh my goodness. I am dumbfounded right now. How did she make this? Honestly, like, this is unlike any dip I've ever seen. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Can you see kind of the shifting on the back of the swatch? I don't think you can. What a bummer. It's not fair. You can't really show this off. I'm actually gonna do a mani, I think, tomorrow night with Orion. I have an idea for it that I want to get to and do right away. So I don't know if I'm going to upload all of this yet, or if I'm going to wait till I use it for a mani. I'll see. I'll see what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something with Orion, and I'm going to use some silver foil. I'm just going to finish this one off and save Orion for its own little clip. Oh my goodness. I might have to use Omega first. I don't know. I wasn't actually expecting to like Omega this much. I just wanted to get a couple dips, and I know this was another popular one, so I added it to my cart. And my goodness, I'm so glad that I did. I'm not going to brush this off a second time. I'm going to activate right away because, oh my, can you see what is happening? It's like it's alive. Can you see that? You can't see that. That is nuts. I don't know how she made these. She must have gone like to a different planet and picked up pigment. I don't know where she got this. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, I'm going to top coat these guys real quick, and then I'm going to get to Orion while that dries. I'm probably one of the sloppiest swatchers. I see everybody's swatch collections, and they're beautiful, and they always make sure that they get right down to where the nail ends on a swatch stick, and I don't. I'm so lazy. And I'm probably going to be one of those people in a year that's going to be like, I think I might redo all my swatches. Right now I think those people are crazy, but I think I might become one of them, because I also thought the people who needed a storage cart for their dips was crazy, and that was less than a year ago. And yeah, here we are. These are beautiful. I'm going to let the top coat dry and then take a look at those at the end. And now, Orion. Wow. Wow. Just, I mean, come on. I'm so glad that I had my light. You know what? Whatever. I had my light in the way. It doesn't really matter. You can see what's happening. That is so... I don't understand. I honest to God don't understand. I've never seen anything like this. I don't know how she does this. I I don't know how she did it. I don't know where she got this. And again, I'm not going to brush it off because I kind of want to see if you can see the like dancing pigment when I activate. Can you see that? I think you kind of can. It's beautiful. This was worth it. This was worth waiting. And it was worth, you know, checking the group obsessively for a while, waiting for ordering to open again. Completely worth it. This is so, these two colors, I don't know where she got the pigments. I don't know how she made these. They are worth every penny she's charging. I would pay more for them. They are beautiful. All right. This is incredible. Okay, I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to put it probably at the end of this video, but like I said, I don't know if I'm going to upload this yet or if I'm going to do a mani. I'm probably going to do a mani with both of these. These are crazy. I'm going to do one hand with each because I have different manis on each hand all the time. These are beautiful. It was worth every second of waiting to get them, and honestly, I would pay double. What she's charging, I would pay double for these. This is crazy. I hope I can get some decent video and hope I can get some decent pictures of this. But yeah, no, this was it. I'm just gonna go online and order all of the rest of her dips because these are beautiful. They're unique. She's done an incredible job. These glitters are. This is entirely smooth. I did nothing. I didn't even brush off the second dip, and it's completely smooth. There's nothing that is sticking up. It's stunning. So, okay, I'm going to end it here. I'm going to take some pictures, do a little bit of editing. We'll see where we get. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Bye.